Did you know that while juicing may deliver a concentrated dose of vitamins, it often lacks the essential fiber found in smoothies? This critical difference can significantly impact your digestion and overall health. The ongoing debate between juicing and smoothies isn't just about taste preferences. It's about understanding which approach gives your body the most nutritional value. Juicing and smoothies have become health staples in many people's lives, each with its own dedicated following. From detox cleanses to convenient meal replacements, these beverages promise a range of health benefits. But are they truly equal in their offerings? And more importantly, which one best aligns with your health and wellness goals? Let's dive into the juicing versus smoothies debate to explore the nutritional value and benefits each option offers. The rise in popularity of juicing and smoothies has led to a lot of misinformation about their respective health benefits. It's a common belief that juicing, with its reputation for delivering high doses of vitamins and antioxidants, is the ultimate health elixir. Juicing advocates highlight the immediate boost of nutrients, claiming it allows for better absorption and a rapid energy surge. However, what's often overlooked is the lack of fiber in juices, which is vital for maintaining digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, and promoting satiety. On the flip side, smoothies are often seen as a healthier, more balanced option as they retain the entire fruit or vegetable, including the fiber. However, many people feel that smoothies can be overly filling or difficult to digest, especially if too many ingredients are added. This confusion leaves consumers wondering, are juices truly the detox champions they claim to be, or are smoothies the superior option for long-term health and weight management? To clarify the debate, it's essential to break down the benefits and drawbacks of each method, focusing on nutrient absorption, fiber content, calorie count, and their impact on overall health. Juicing. When you juice fruits and vegetables, you're essentially extracting the liquid and leaving behind the pulp, which contains most of the fiber. This creates a nutrient-rich beverage that's easy for your body to absorb, making it perfect for those who need an immediate nutritional boost, like athletes recovering from a workout or individuals needing a quick energy surge. Juices are also an excellent option for people who struggle with digestion, as the lack of fiber can make the nutrients easier for the body to process. However, the absence of fiber is also juicing's biggest drawback. Fiber is essential for slowing down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable. Without it, juices, especially those made from high-sugar fruits, can cause a rapid spike and subsequent crash in blood glucose levels, which isn't ideal for individuals managing conditions like diabetes or anyone looking for sustained energy throughout the day. Furthermore, without the fiber to keep you full, you may feel hungry shortly after drinking a juice, leading to increased snacking or overeating later on. Smoothies. Smoothies, in contrast, blend whole fruits and vegetables, meaning you retain all the fiber, vitamins, and minerals they contain. The fiber in smoothies slows down digestion, helping you feel fuller for longer and providing a steady release of energy. This makes smoothies an excellent option for those looking to manage their weight or maintain balanced energy levels throughout the day. Plus, the thicker texture and greater volume makes smoothies a satisfying meal replacement, especially when balanced with added ingredients like protein powder, seeds, nuts, or leafy greens. However, there are potential downsides to smoothies as well. Because they can be highly customizable, it's easy to add too many calorie-dense ingredients, like nut butter, yogurt, or sweet fruits, turning a healthy smoothie into a high-calorie, sugar-loaded drink. Some commercially prepared smoothies may also include added sugars or syrups, reducing their health benefits. Additionally, some people may find the fiber content too much for their digestive system, especially if their gut isn't accustomed to high-fiber foods, leading to bloating or discomfort. So, which should you choose, juicing or smoothies? It really depends on your health goals, lifestyle, and how your body responds to each option. If you're looking for a quick way to increase your vitamin and antioxidant intake without worrying about feeling overly full, juicing might be the ideal choice. It can be especially effective for short-term detoxes or to supplement your diet when you feel you're not getting enough fresh fruits and vegetables. The key is to choose the option that fits best with your lifestyle and supports your overall well-being. Are you team juice or team smoothie? Let us know in the comments below which one you prefer and why. Also, don't forget to watch our next video on easy ways to boost your nutrition with simple meal planning tips. Remember, health is all about finding what works best for you.